Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, July the 22nd, 2022. And the news of today, yes, I've told you earlier, Joe Biden, the president of the United States, is infected with corona. And yeah, in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. But first, we will continue with the second regular puzzle. And the second regular puzzle is a Sudoku with a Sudoku Heavy. And this will be number 4891. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, heavy one, has 24 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Yes, 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, that's my time limit, 30 minutes or more for a 4 stars puzzle. Well, we will see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 2 3s. 2 3 4s. 2 5s. 4 6s. Alright. 4 7s. Alright. 3 8s and 2 9s. So the 6 and the 7s are in majority. So let me start with the 7 then. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the middle row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 then? 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. 3. Come on. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and a 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in the second column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5 and 9 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 5. Alright. So, what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square should be the number 2. Then let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in the last column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. Then what are the other 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. Let me put the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. That means 2 numbers left in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Alright, for 4. Alright, let me see. 7. Yeah, I need a 7 there. I'm thinking. 1. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 here. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be there. So now we have 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 3. And the 2 and a 3, okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Well, 1 box left in the second column. Here we have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. The 4 is missing. 4, okay. Let me think. 1. 9, 5, 2. Alright. 6. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3. 2 or 3. We have a pair here. Look. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are. Oh no. One conclusion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Well, not one conclusion. This box can it be a 1? Could be a 2. Could be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. Can it be a 6? Can it be 7? Can it be 8? Can it be 9? Yes, 2 or 3. And look, we have here also in the middle row 2 or 3. Okay, so we have a pair here. The pair, yeah. So the 5 should be here. The 1. Okay. Think. 4. 8 could be here. The 1. Well. Overlooked this one. I've marked those 2 boxes with earlier with 1 and a 3. Now we have 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. Alright, so we have 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Yeah. So now 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4. And a 7. We have a pair again. We have a 4 and a 7 in this row. We have a 4 and a 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and a 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in the middle column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. So the 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 9 and the 4 earlier. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the last row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. A lot of pairs. Yeah. 1. We have a pair. We have a 1 and a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. We have a 1 and a 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. Yeah. Okay. And now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Now we have a 9 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and 5. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Still cannot continue with the 7. How about the 6 then? 6 still, well, not true. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 7, 4. And 5, 4 cannot be here. I'm still thinking. 4, 2, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in the middle column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and the 8. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 5. Now we have a 5 there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with a 2 and a 5. Now we have a 5 in the middle column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Okay. How about the 7 now? The 7 in this row, the 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, middle column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. I marked those 2 boxes early with a 7 and a 4. And now we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4, it goes there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Alright, okay. I've marked these 2 boxes with the 2 and the 3, so 1 digit left in the middle row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Then 1 box left in this big square for numbers for the number the 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here for the second row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 3 are missing in this big square. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 3 in this big square. Now we have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in this box, so the 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue later on with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. And see you later.